3D printing has been growing over the last sort of 3 to 4 years. The 3D print show is an interactive event where we have galleries, designers, printers and softwares. 3D Print Show California is not just an industry event, it's also a creative interactive event for the community.
So it essentially is like a pen plotter. It draws one layer, moves up a tiny bit, and draws another picture. And when all those pictures are piled up on top of each other, then they're an object.
It takes about 30 seconds to scan a person and then another 3 minutes to reconstruct a high-resolution model. Then you can take this model and 3D print it.
Printing a bracelet like this, it only takes about 8 minutes.
I'm here with our 3D printed dress. We actually used ABS material for the whole dress, so the black and the red here you see. We used a chain link design, 120 hours total of printing. We also did the phone cases you can see, and the jewelry that she is wearing are all craft PLA materials. They're PLA mixed with different fibers, either metal fiber or wood fiber, stone, and so forth.
I designed them using SketchUp and 3D printed them on my own printer at home.
Print based on existing designs, a prosthetic hand like the one that you see here, which really consists of a number of 3D printed objects, okay, tied together with essentially a really strong string and a few other components like you see here. And there are websites that are now available where if you own a 3D printer, you can then take and build this device.
We've seen so many new companies, startups popping up all over the place. And actually, the US and California has been a big driver for those startups.
We're a Pasadena-based 3D printer manufacturer. We're one of about 3 or 4 different manufacturers in Pasadena. The printers we make are capable of very reliably producing large batches of parts like this here. We actually use our printers to produce parts for our own printers, and we use printed parts as final end-use product. And we actually feel that 3D printing is not just a hobbyist tool, it's not just a prototyping tool, but actually can be a manufacturing tool.
This is where all of the people come together to collaborate and create.